NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with NANATHESAUCYCHEF.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Sloppy Joe shells. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 box of jumbo shells, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 16-ounce can of manwich, parsley flakes. I have 2 cups of Colby Jack cheese shredded, 1 small onion diced, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and also 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, or you can use the seasoning of your choice. And I also have some sugar, which is going to be optional. Now to a pot of boiling water, you want to add some salt, and we're going to add our shells in. And you want to cook them according to the directions on the box. To a heated saucepan, we're going to add in our olive oil. Let that come to temperature. Now you can add in your onion. We're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. And we're going to saute that for 1 minute. Now we can start to add in our ground beef. You want to make sure the onion and garlic is mixed in with your meat, and we're going to continue to cook it until it's all brown. Once your ground beef is cooked all the way through, you want to turn off your heat, remove it, and drain it of all excess grease. Once you drained all your grease, return the ground beef back to your pan. Put your heat on medium. Now we're going to add in our garlic powder, our adobo all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, and also our ground black pepper. And you want to mix everything until it's well combined. Now you can add in your can of manwich. Go ahead and mix it so it's well combined. And we're going to continue to let it simmer for 4 minutes. You want to lower your heat to medium-low. And guys, you can go ahead and taste it. If you want to add a little bit of sugar, you can do it now. After about 4 minutes, turn off your heat and transfer your Sloppy Joe to a bowl. Once your shells are done cooking, you want to drain them of all the water. Once you drain them of all the water, you want to run cold water over top of them. Now you want to get a muffin tin, and you want to lightly spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Next, we're going to take our shells and just turn them inside out and place it inside of the muffin tins. Next, we're going to take some of our shredded Colby Jack cheese and begin to put it on the bottom. Not too much, just enough. Next, we're going to get a spoonful of our Sloppy Joe mix, and we're just going to add it right to the top. You can go ahead and fill up your shell. Okay guys, you can set your oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to take some more Colby Jack, and we're just going to go over top of our Sloppy Joe mix. Okay guys, now they can go into our oven for 10 to 12 minutes. We want the cheese to be nice and melted. Okay guys, they're out the oven. As you can see, the cheese is nice and melted. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Sloppy Joe shells. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?